What's up everyone? In today's video, we will be baking with protein powder. I have chocolate chip cookies. Pretty much potentially might have some of these ingredients right at home. So let's get into the baking. Alright, so the first recipe we're gonna make is chocolate chip cookies. So these are the ingredients we're gonna need. We have vanilla protein, oats, coconut flour, peanut butter, baking soda, banana, eggs, sweetener of your choice, I'm using honey, vanilla extract, almond milk, chocolate chips, and salt. Alright, so we are going to start with a large bowl and we're going to start putting all the ingredients inside. So first up, I am going to put 2 eggs. So we're going to use the yolks, everything. So we've got 1 and 2. Then we're gonna add in 1 banana, and it's okay if it is like a little bit brown. It actually makes the banana sweeter, so it's actually a good thing. And since I don't know if I have a mixer, I'm just gonna break it up like this so it's easier for me to mix it later. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract right inside, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter. I'm just using this one, and this is pretty much already 2 tablespoons measured out. A half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking soda, 3 scoops of vanilla protein. I'm using by First Form. They have very good ingredients in theirs. This is an all natural one. And every protein is different, so you could 90 grams. 8 tablespoons of coconut flour. 1/3 cup of sweetener. You can use stevia. I am using honey because that's what I have on hand. 4 tablespoons of chocolate chips. 1/4 cup almond milk. We're gonna add oatmeal, and so it doesn't have that oatmeal texture in the cookie, we're gonna blend it and put it in our mix. But you could also use oatmeal flour if you have that, or oat flour. So all we're gonna do is just put it in this blender right here, and then just blend it. You could also put it in a food processor. Alright, so just blended it, and you can just see how it's all broken up and it's more like a powder. So I already measured this out, so I'm just going to put that in here. And then we're going to take our mix with everything in it, and we're just going to go ahead and mix it. If you have like a high-speed blender, I'd recommend it. I don't know where mine is. So I'm just gonna probably have to do it by hand. You can see how it's actually really forming into cookie dough. Almost done. Again, if you had a high-speed mixer, this would make it a lot faster. Alrighty, so as you see here, it definitely looks ready. And we're going to make these into little balls and put them on a pan and then put them in the oven. And you always have to taste the batter first. So let's see. It tastes good. It tastes real good. Alright, we're gonna spray the pan so nothing sticks, or if you have parchment paper, you can put that on instead. Three, 6, 9, 10, 11. Could definitely make 12. It's a little bit more left. I could probably use 2 pans. They probably will touch once they're cooking because they're pretty big, but just do it on 1 pan and let's go ahead and put them in the oven. I was not kidding when I said that they were going to be touching. I didn't expect it to be like that though. They are huge, so you could definitely make them a lot smaller, but they look delicious. Here are our giant cookies. Woo! All right, let's see. They smell amazing. Oh my gosh, they smell amazing. All right, put them on this plate. I just don't want them to continue cooking because I don't want the bottoms to burn. All right, so I got my cookies I just made, and of course I'm gonna try one on camera, and I even got my milk. I'm using almond milk. That's my milk of choice. But let's pick one. Ooh. Mmm. Very good. You could even dunk it in your milk. Won't reach. Oh, there we go. And have a sweet treat.